Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic bread meatball bombs. Alright, I'm starting out in a bowl. I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to start by putting about a half a teaspoon of pepper in. Half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to make a butter spread for over top of our garlic bread meatball bombs. I'm going to put some garlic powder in here. I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon. If you use fresh garlic, rate about 2 cloves fine and throw them in. And a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. That's my oven coming up to temperature. I'm going to stir this up and set it aside just for now. Alright, now here on the cookie sheet I have 12 dinner rolls. I'm going to take my finger and pinch out just a little bit of the roll. You don't want to go too deep because you just want your meatballs to sit in there but not sink down in. And if you want, you can save this little bit of bread for your birds. And this is a real quick meal idea that the whole family will love, especially the kids. Alright, now I'm going to take this garlic butter that we made. Let me get rid of this spoon. And I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to brush this down on top of this. Getting it down into the dinner rolls. Alright, now that I have my dinner rolls all coated with the garlic butter, and if you have any left, just go ahead over and hit them again. I feel like Bob Ross. Happy little dinner rolls. Alright, enough of that. Put this in the sink. Now I have a jar of marinara sauce. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of marinara sauce down into the little holes that we made in the rolls. Just want to fill the last one up. Now I have some frozen meatballs. These are Italian style. I left these thaw out in the fridge. If yours are frozen, thaw them out first. Just want to sit them down in there. And you can also make homemade meatballs if you like. I don't want to go through the bother. I want to keep this easy because it's so hot out and I don't feel like messing around. Just want to put all your meatballs in. And these are leftover meatballs. I made a pasta dish last week, so it's a good use of them. And I have a few extras. I'm just going to lay them inside the tray, throw them in the oven and get munched on. I'm going to put a little more sauce on top of the meatballs. Alright, now that I have them all sauced up, I'm going to use some grated Parmesan cheese. This is the stuff you put on your spaghetti. I'm just going to sprinkle that over top of everything. Get a nice little coating on there. And I have some grated mozzarella cheese I'm going to put on here. Just want to coat it. A nice coating because we want these cheesy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes till the cheese is melted and starts to turn golden brown. Alright, these are done. They only took 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I garnished this with a little fresh parsley for some added color. You could also use Italian seasoning on there. Just going to get right in here. It's really good. The roll soaked up all that garlic butter. You have that good garlic butter flavor. You get the cheese. You get the sauce, and then you have that nice meatball in the middle. Guys, they were really easy and they're really delicious. Garlic bread meatball bombs. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.